Use nodal analysis to determine voltages V1, V2 and V3 in the circuit in figure. We have to find this V1, V2 and V3 in this circuit using nodal analysis. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Then we will assume the direction of current. Let's say this is current I1, this is current I2, this is current I3 and this is current I4 and this is current I5. Now we will apply KCL at node V1. Apply KCL at node V1. So at this node, entering current is this 2 ampere plus this I5. Two ampere and I5 are the entering current and leaving current is I1 plus I3 plus I1 plus I3 plus 3IO. So this will be 2 plus I5 minus I1 minus I3 minus 3IO is equal to 0. Now this will be 2 plus I5. I5 is V3 minus V1. V3 minus V1 by this 4 Siemens is converted into ohm will be 1 by 4 ohm. This 1 Siemens will be converted into 1 by 1 ohm, that is 1 ohm. This is also 1 ohm and this will be 1 by 2 ohm. This 4 Siemens will be 1 by 4 ohm. This will be 1 by 2 ohm. So I5 is equal to V3 minus V1 by 1 by 4. 1 by 4 minus I1. I1 is V1 minus 0 by 1 by 2. V1 minus 0 by 1 by 2 minus I3. I3 is V1 minus V2 by 1. V1 minus V2 by 1. Then 3IO minus 3IO. So IO is, this is the IO. V2 minus 0 by 1 by 4. V2 minus 0 by 1 by 4 is equal to 0. So this will be 2 plus V3 by 1 by 4 minus, or directly we can write 4V3 minus 4V1 minus 2V1 minus V1 plus V2, this will be minus 12 V2 is equal to 0. Now this will be minus 4 V1 minus 2. So this will be minus 6 minus 6 minus 7 minus 7 V1. Then V2, this will be minus 11 V2 minus 11 V2, then plus 4 V3 is equal to minus 2. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we will apply KCL at node V2. Apply KCL at node V2. So entering current at this node is I3. I3 is equal to IO plus I4. I3 is equal to IO plus I4. I3 is V1 minus V2 by 1. V1 minus V2 by 1 is equal to IO. IO is V2 minus 0 by 1 by 4. IO is V2 minus 0 by 1 by 4 plus I4. I4 is V2 minus V3 by 1. V2 minus V3 by 1. Directly V2 minus V3. Now we will simplify this. So this will be V1 minus V2 minus 4 V2 minus V2. This will be plus V3 is equal to 0. So this will be V1 and this will be minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 V2 plus V3 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now next we will apply KCL at node V3. Apply KCL at node V3. So at node V3, entering current is 3IO plus I4. 3IO plus I4 plus 4. This 4 is also entering at this V3. 3IO plus I4 plus 4 ampere is equal to current leaving the node. All the currents leaving the node. So leaving current is I5 plus I2. I5 plus I2. Now this will be 3 into IO. IO is V2 minus 0 by 1 by 4. V2 minus 0 by 1 by 4 plus I4. I4 is V2 minus V3 by 1. V2 minus V3 by 1 plus 4 is equal to I5. I5 is V3 minus V1 by 1 by 4. V3 minus V1 by 1 by 4. then next plus I2. So I2 is V3 minus 0 by 1 by 2. V3 minus 0 by 1 by 2. Now we will simplify this. So this will be 12 V2 plus V2 minus V3 plus 4 is equal to, this will be 4V3 minus 4V1 plus 2V3. Now this will be 12V2 plus V2. So this will be directly 13V2 minus V3 plus 4 minus 4V3, then plus 4V1 minus 2V3 is equal to 0. So this will be 4V1, then plus 13V2, then this minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5, minus 5, then minus 2, minus 7, minus 7 V3 is equal to, this 4 goes on right side, so this will be minus 4. Now let's say this is equation number 3. So solving equation 1, 2 and 3, we will substitute these values in calculator. We can also solve this using Cramer's rule. Mod 5, 3 unknowns are there, so equation number 2. This will be minus 7, minus 11, 4, minus 2. One minus 6, 1 minus 6, then 1, 0. From equation number 3, 4, 13, minus 7, minus 4. So V1 is equal to 0.625 volt. V2 is equal to 0.375 volt. And V3 is equal to 1.625 volt. What we have to find? We have to determine V1, V2 and V3. So this is V1, V2 and V3. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.